Hi, if you want to turn on or off easy mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to open Settings and from here choose Display tab. After that, scroll a bit down and you'll see easy mode. So tap it, and as you can see, this mode makes text and on-screen items appear larger. And it also increases touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions and provides a high contrast keyboard for better readability. And to enable it, tap on the switcher so it will light up blue, and after that you can customize it. Go in touch and hold delay and set any preset from the list and even custom. Just hold the finger like you would normally do to touch any feature or open any setting, and then save it. Then tap try it out and try it out right here. Let's go back and do it again. And now it is recognized. So this is for how long you need to press and hold any feature. You can also choose any other option from the list. And also you can go in high contrast keyboard, enable it or disable by tapping on the switcher. And once enabled, you can choose color like that, or with white letters on blue keypad, or like this or like that, or maybe disable at all. And to disable easy mode, just tap on the switcher from here, and that's it. Now let's check how easy mode will look on home screen. So as you can see, my icons just got bigger, and also this magnifier is added to the home page, and we can use it from here. To open app drawer, now we need to tap this many dots icon, and that is basically how easy mode works. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.